there, welcome back. Today's tutorial, we're going to be making a keychain, which has loads of possibilities as far as colors. I chose to go with a rainbow for this one and for the one that I'm going to be doing in real time today. As far as materials, we need a split ring, a swivel hook, two 18 gauge 5/32 rings, and then here we have a total of 27 16 gauge 1/4 inch rings. In this case it's in 9 different colors, but you could do it all in one color, all in 2 colors. Like I said before, the possibilities are endless on how to do color combinations for this particular project. To prepare for the weaving itself, starting at the top end, each one of my colors, I have 3 rings. One is open, the other 2 are pre-closed and sitting on that open ring so that when it comes time to weave, I can just pick up and go. The only one that is different is the very last row that's going to be connecting to the swivel hook. All 3 of those rings are open. We also need 2 pairs of pliers. My preference is a 90-degree bent nose and a short nose from Xuron. Everything will be linked down below. So let's go ahead and get started. Quick project, quick video. Let's get moving. First, I'm going to start with my split ring and my 2 5/32 rings. I'm just going to put those on the split ring. And it doesn't have to be a 5/32 ring. This is just the one that I use. It could be 3/16, it could be 1/4 inch rings. I just find personally that I like the look with the 5/32 better. So now we have a split ring with 2 small rings on it. Let me zoom in. Now this is, if you remember previous tutorial when we made the European 4-in-1 bracelet, this is the same exact weave. So we're going to take our red rings, put the open ring through those 2 5/32 rings, make sure that it has the 2 closed on it, and then close that one. And then take, and in my case, they basically always end up both over on my side because of the way that I weave everything. So I just take the one that's on top and flip it over so that now things look like this. Take my darker orange, go down through this bottom ring and up through the one on top, and close. Same thing, move that ring over. Lighter yellow, or lighter orange, darker yellow, whichever color you want to call it. Same thing. Yellow down through the bottom ring, up through the top ring. Open those rings up, down through the bottom, up through the top. And all of these rings, these colored rings, came from the Ring Lord. They have a wide variety of different shades of various colors. Our beautiful purple. And now we are to our last color where we have those 3 open rings. I'm going to take one and treat it like we've been treating all of our other open rings, down through the bottom ring, up through the top, and close. Next one, we're going to go through the ring we just added. We're going to also add our swivel hook, and then close. Now I need this ring to sit like this ring, and then I'm going to pull my swivel hook to sit like my center rings, because it's essentially a ring on its own. You could also, you know, fold it under like that, but I choose to do this way. And then I need to take my last open ring. I'm going to go through my center ring and continue down through my swivel hook so that it is treating the swivel hook like I said, like another ring, so that it lays in our European 4-in-1 pattern. And then we are finished. Like I said, quick project, quite the statement piece. Another thing you could do, instead of putting a ring on one end and a swivel hook on the other, is you could just put another ring in the middle here and then have no additional fastener on this end. I like this because it allows you to put keys or whatever on this end and then hook this end to your purse, a belt loop, you know, any number of things, or to an additional key that doesn't always need to be on your keychain. Hope you enjoy making your own keychains. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get future tutorials. I'm doing these every Tuesday, and don't forget also to like and share if there are others that you know of who would enjoy this as well, and see you next week.